Good evening, children. Today I am going to discuss about your PT1 portions. That is PT1 portions or chapter 3, that is human reproduction, and chapter 4, that is reproductive health. In human reproduction, which we have completed this chapter in the class itself, I'll just tell you what are the things I have to study. Okay, I'll just highlight the important things in which you have to concentrate. And this time in human reproduction you won't be having any diagrams, only theoretical thing you learn. And I will tell about reproductive health also. Okay, in reproductive health you don't have diagrams. No, only the theory you read for the PT1, which is for 25 marks. Okay, human reproduction we have completed in the class itself, but once again I'll just tell you what are the things you have to concentrate and read. See, on this page you take your NCERT textbook and you follow whatever I say. That will be actually will be very helpful for you. And why the testes are located outside the abdominal cavity, that part, this everything I explained long back, that why, because it needs a low temperature, that has to be studied. It's an important thing. And here about the testis is covered, about the seminiferous tubules, male germ cells, Sertoli cells, and the interstitial or the Leydig's, where they are located and what is the role played by them. What is the role played by them, where they are located, what is the role played by them, and they secrete what? Hormones, androgen and other things. Okay, so that part is very important in this thing. Okay, we'll move on to the next page. You also follow what I am just telling. And this part, see, it is about a female reproductive system, the fallopian tubules, the fallopian tube and other regarding ovary, all these part. Infundibulum, which is a funnel shaped ampulla, ampullary region, all this part has to be. Where it's situated, what are the names, what is the role played. This part has to be studied. We'll move on to the next page. Here about the wall of the uterus. It's covered by 3 layers. All the layers name and the role played by them. What significant function of the 3 layers. This part. Okay. Then again this come down to this part, gametogenesis. I have taught you about spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Spermatogenesis process of spermatogenesis is very important. The whole of the thing. Spermatogenesis, first mitotic and meiotic division takes place. First meiotic and second meiotic, all these things and differentiate spermiogenesis and spermiation, all these things. Okay, and this paragraph is about the role of hormones in the process of during the process of spermatogenesis. This also I have just explained role of follicle stimulating hormone, utilized 2 role of the hormones. This is very important, this one. Like a flow chart also it can be given, this paragraph, that also I have explained you in the class, this part. Okay, then the next page, here the structure of the sperm, the neck, middle piece and the tail, this one. Okay, and this is the process of oogenesis. This is also very important till ovulation. You have to write the process of oogenesis till ovulation. Okay, that's the process. Primary oocytes, about the secondary oocyte, and about here the layers, a primary follicle, secondary follicle and the tertiary follicle. What is ovulation? Zona pellucida, I think. And this is not a schematic representation, this is not necessary. You learn the process first, then we'll see about that. Okay, so now this is not necessary. Learn the process of spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Okay, then the menstrual cycle also. What is the difference between menstrual cycle? Definition for menstrual cycle. What is menarche? Menstrual cycle. And the role of hormones during menstrual cycle. You have this follicular phase and other secretory phase, all these things. what happens okay during these phases. What about the role of hormones? That is very very important. Role of hormones. Ovulation, here also ovulations, corpus luteum. You have to learn about ovulation, which hormones plays a significant role during ovulation. And corpus luteum, what is a corpus luteum? It secretes what? And again menopause. All these things, diagram not necessary, learn the process. Okay, then in fertilization, implanted, where actual fertilization takes place, ampullary region of the fallopian tube. This region, ampullary region of the fallopian tube. What is fertilization? And which blocks the entry of additional sperms, that is zona pellucida. All these you concentrate. I'm just giving you the hint. That's it. Okay, then here about this is nothing but sex determination, X, Y and XX chromosome, which already you are familiar with. Okay, then after that this fertilization, what happens here? Zygote formation, it undergoes mitotic division, cleavage, that is the cells are known as the blastomeres, and here trophoblast, inner cell mass, very important. What is trophoblast, inner cell mass? They give rise to what? Okay, then this also implantation, this is also very important. And pregnancy, during the time of pregnancy, that is a formation of placenta, and role played by placenta during pregnancy, and what are the special hormones secreted by the placenta. Okay, and why this kind of hormones is necessary during pregnancy? Because it's for supporting the fetal growth, metabolic changes in the mother, and maintenance of all these things, which I've already said this part. Okay, and then here that is during the pregnancy, human pregnant time, 10 months, no, first month, appearance of what, and then 12 weeks, like that. Okay, the next is fifth month, what are the organs, and 24 weeks, all the parts, body parts. Okay, anything can come. And here this paragraph, only the definition. Okay, definition, all these definitions you learn. Okay, lactation, colostrum, all the definition, fetal ejection, all these definitions. Okay, that's it for this lesson. And reproductive health, actually I think you have watched my video classes for the reproductive health. So all the notes which you can once again go through that. Completely the notes are very essential for period for this test now. Anyway, once again I say, whatever my given in my notes, you just read everything. See, in this notes I have given now the definition given by World Health Organization about reproductive health. And this is very reproductive and child health care programs are the main objectives. Two objectives are there: learn it. Okay, then what are the government and non-governmental organization have taken steps among people to lead a reproductive healthy life, all these. And about Saheli, I've just given my notes, you read everything. Okay, then amniocentesis, fetal sex determination, this one, and here also. Okay, see the video class, you will be able to. And all the contraceptive methods, like how I have given natural methods. These are the natural methods. What are the barriers? IUDs, oral contraceptives, everything, all the things. You in intrauterine devices, I have just given, see, you have hormone releasing and copper releasing, and their effects separately you have to learn as I have given. Then oral pills, then the about Sageli is very important. Sageli, learn all the pills, what combination, progesterone, estrogen combination. Okay, that one. And about this vasectomy, tubectomy, this one. This medical termination of pregnancy, why and when it is safe, why it is done, all these things. Sexually transmitted diseases, I have just classified bacterial and other diseases, and which here also you can see, except most of the diseases curable. Okay, except AIDS and hepatitis, others are completely all these full all. Then the principles to avoid sexually transmitted diseases. Infertility, okay, that is in vitro fertilization, and in this assistant reproductive technology we have so many methods. All the methods be thorough, okay. In vitro fertilization, test tube baby embryo transfer, gift, IUT. What happens here is more than 8 blastomeres here, up to 8 blastomeres. You have to differentiate and learn everything, okay, till the end. Artificial insemination till the intrauterine insemination of the female. These are the things you have to concentrate. And the question for 25 marks, you will be having choose. In section A, you will be having choose. Okay, and section B, you have 2 marks. In section A, you have choose. You have 4 choose. And section B, you have 2 marks question. That will be 2. Okay, and section C, you have 3 marks question, that will be 4. And section D, you have only 1 5 mark. Okay, concentrate on all these things whatever I told you. And see, in the NCERT book, the exercises questions given at the back, so many choose, not choose for true or false, like that, it's given. That also you just learn. Questions given at the back, that is exercises given at the back of these 2 lessons. So the portions for PT1 is chapter 3 human reproduction and chapter 4 reproductive health. Learn well, okay. It is for 25 marks. Any doubt, you can just text me in the group. Any doubt, anything you want to ask me, clarify anything, now you can text me, and we have a group in that group. Okay children, bye, have a great day.